Okay, we are cleaning a stainless steel fridge with so many streaks. Now, most important thing is the technique. So we've got a pink Shyn Microfibre Sponge. This is our everyday sponge. Now, when you see us agitate, it's because the cloth removes all the heavy stuff. So the handles have got grit. Now, using our Shyn Ultimate Glass Cloth, we just wipe dry. Now, can you see how I'm going down? My girlfriend, Amy, she's going across. We're going to see who gets it done faster. So you go, see? All about technique. Now check this out. No streak. Only water was used, and you should really go up and down, agitate that, but you didn't need to because the cloth removed everything. Finitoed, perfection. No streak, no chemicals, easy breezy.